All right, so we are going to talk about slope and similar triangles. So remember, similar triangles are the same shape and their sides are proportional, and they are also where their angles are equal. So we're going to kind of compare that to slope. Now, remember when we did slope, remember it didn't matter which one we decided to count up and over, between points 1 and 2 or 1 and 5. It doesn't matter. It's all going to, kind of divide out. So here I've graphed x, y, and z, negative 3, 5, negative 3, 3, and z is at 0, 3. So that's this green triangle. And then my purple triangle is ZLP, which is this one. And it says write a proportion comparing the rise to the run for each of the similar slope triangles. So therefore, this rise right here is 2, and the run is 3. So for my green, for my x, y, z, I have 2/3. And then I want to see if that's equal to this one. So I have 4 rise and run 6. So is that equal to 4, 6? That's the question. Well, yeah, it would be, because we have 2 here. 2 times 2 get me to 4. 3 times 2 get me to 6. Also, this one reduced gets me to here. So remember, I kind of said it's all going to come out in the wash. It doesn't really matter, which one you decide to go to or start with and which one you decide to go to. All right, so that's kind of sort of how that works. It all evens out. So it's similar because those two are proportional. They're equal. Because if I reduce 4, 6, that becomes 2/3. Also, cross products are equal. 2 times 6 is 12, and 3 times 4 is 12. So that tells you that proportion is equal as well. All right, on the next one, I graphed ABE in green. So it kind of is overlapped by my purple one, because my purple one is actually bigger. So hopefully you can see that this makes one big line here, and this one did too. So this was the line here, my slope here, and then this was my line and slope here. So therefore, if I write my rise, 3 and 4, that's going to be equal to 6 and 8. So my ABE, my smaller triangle, which is in green, is rise is 3 and run is 4. And then my larger one is rise is 6, run is 8. Thing is are these equal? Well, if I reduce 6 8s, I'm going to get 3 4s. If I have some larger numbers or some numbers I'm not really sure about, they are cross multiply. This is 24. Cross multiply here, that's 24. Cross products are equal. Proportions are the same. So that's what you're seeing here, is that it doesn't really matter which 2 points you decide to find the slope between. All that matters is that you do rise over run. That is very, very, very important, that you do rise over run and not run over rise. All right, so that is slope and similar triangles. Pretty simple concept. We kind of talked about this a little bit earlier, but I kind of want to show you why that works, is because these are similar triangles. Similar triangles means that their sides are proportional. Angles are equal or are congruent, and so hopefully you can see here that, if I had a missing side length, I could find it by solving a proportion. All right, that's what I have for you, slope and similar triangles.